Hello members, this is Mike, AFA6KO. This is a short follow-up on M110A. I wanted to re-emphasize a few of these areas. The first area is receive. If you call me and we discuss setup and I refer to the receive box, this is the area that I'm referring to, the receive box. Down here we have common. This is the common area. And down here is the transmit. Going back up to the receive, you'll see that I have none of these boxes checked. This area is a default message, and you can clear that by clicking here on the clear button. This is the area that text will be received from another station when they're transmitting. In the common area, this is the only function checked. That's indicated by this dot. And there are two areas that I want to talk about over here. This is the COM port and the PCSDM. Now, I actually enter the COM port, and I figure that out by going to my device manager and actually seeing what the COM port is for the Rig Blaster Advantage. If you're using some other product such as a Rig Expert Standard and so forth, you can see what COM port was assigned and enter it in here. I'm not sure about default settings or default COM ports. You'll have to research that on your own. This is very important, the PCSDM. We click here. We want to set up your input device and output device. Again, I'm not sure about defaults. You'll have to experiment. However, for your product, whether it's a Rig Blaster Advantage or a Rig Expert Standard and so on, you should be able to find that in this list if it's connected properly, and then click it. When I refer to a drop-down button, this is the drop-down button. A little black triangle. Alright, let's look at the output device. I've set this up earlier, but if it wasn't in that window, such maybe default device or so forth was in there, we actually click the device we want. So Rig Blaster, don't change any of these, don't change that, click OK. So, I've typed in a little test. Here's how we increase or decrease the speed. Decrease, increase. I'm going to set it at max so that we can send this test pretty quick. Notice the status in the transmit box. The status is idle right now. If I click send, this should go to transmit. And it did. And I heard the output over the output speaker, so everything appears to be set up properly. Any problems or questions, give me a call or send me a note.